Hi guys, so we just start in a minute. Are there any people coming?
There's 22 people.
Okay. Hi guys, so we're just waiting for some more people to join us. In the meantime, I'll just tell you a little bit about me. My name is Surbhi and I am a food stylist and a recipe developer. And you can find me on Instagram. I mainly operate from Instagram. My page is called Sue Paints on Plates. Once we finish, I'll put a link in the comment section so you can find me. And is it 3 yet?
Yeah, there were 206 people.
Great. So should we begin, guys? So today we are doing a beetroot rasam. It's a really delicious, unusual recipe because I love playing with colors in food, and I will show you the ingredients that we're going to use. Could you just bring it here? Yeah, so guys, we've got some curry leaf, black pepper, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, onion, garlic. I'm using a lot of garlic because I like that peppery and garlicky flavor in the rasam. So I've got about one medium size beetroot and 3 tomatoes, and this rasam is enough for about 4 people. Some tamarind juice, green chilies, and of course Amul ghee. Yeah, so I think you've got enough.
I hope
people?
yeah.
Can you see,
300.
guys? Can you see me?
Yeah, it would be good to just know if you can hear.
Can you hear me and see me, guys? If someone can please reply.
A lot of hellos coming.
Can you see me? आप मेरे को देख सकते हैं?
Yes.
And you can hear me?
I'm sure.
Okay. So I'm going to start the recipe. We're going to begin with about a tablespoon of Amul ghee. After this live, I will write down the recipe in the comment section as well. Yeah. So some Amul ghee, and I'm going to add all the black pepper. You know, the ghee can be as little or as much as you want.
Smells very nice.
Yeah. I think it's a little too much. Melt होके ज़्यादा. Yeah. And cumin seeds, जीरा, राई, mustard seeds. और इसको क्रैकल होने देंगे थोड़ी देर. We'll let it crackle. And I'm going to put हींग in it. थोड़ा ज़्यादा हींग डालें फ्लेवर के लिए. और हरी मिर्च, ग्रीन चिलीज as much or as little as you want. ज़्यादा कम जो आपको पसंद हो. और कड़ी पत्ता. एंड इसको स्लो पे थोड़ी देर आप चलाएं ताकि अच्छे से ग्रीन चिलीज शुड release their flavor and the curry leaf also should release their flavor.
बड़ी अच्छी खुशबू आ रही है.
And you have to put onion. 1 sliced onion. एक onion. इसको अच्छे से slice कर लिया. एंड इसको ज़्यादा ब्राउन नहीं करना है, बस इनफ कुक करना है कि सॉफ्ट हो जाए. और मैंने काफ़ी सारा लहसुन लिया है. गार्लिक रफली चॉप्ड है, मोटा मोटा. एंड यू विल ऐड दिस गार्लिक इज वेल. एनी क्वेश्चंस?
नहीं.
Guys, if you have any questions, please आप बताइए. If you want me to answer any questions, And any queries you have later, write down in the comments and I will make sure that I answer all your queries later as well.
Some people have just joined, they want to know what you're making.
Okay, so whoever's joined now, guys, I'm making a beetroot rasam, beetroot and tomato rasam actually. It is I'm not doing any rasam powder or in fact any spices other than natural ingredients to create this dish. I'm a food stylist and a recipe developer. And my name is Surbhi for everybody who's just joining. To know more about my work, you can find me on Instagram. I will put a link in the comment section. So we're doing a really beautiful, vibrant tomato rasam, and for all of you who missed, we have put oil. Can you show them? We have put some oil, hing, asafoetida. Then we put some pepper, mustard, jeera, green chilies, and curry leaf, and onion and garlic. And see, it's become nicely cooked, but ज़्यादा brown नहीं करना है. अब मैं इसमें टमाटर 3 टमाटर है 3 tomatoes roughly chopped. 3 tomatoes and 1 medium sized beetroot. And this rasam is enough for about 3 people, I would say. Or 2 people if you are very hungry. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover this for 2-3 minutes. And I will let it cook. और फिर हम इसमें गरम पानी डालेंगे और थोड़ा सा सॉल्ट डालेंगे. एक्चुअली बहुत ही क्विक और सिंपल रेसिपी है और इसको यूजुअली आई लाइक टू सर्व इट विद सम हर्ब राइस विच आई विल जस्ट शो यू इन फैक्ट. So I'm going to plate it and show you later. So just some rice जिसको थोड़ा सा तड़का लगा के टेम्परिंग करके और कोरिएंडर डाल के and I've already plated it. So side में we will put the rasam and it's a very pretty dish. So usually 5-6 minutes you will cover this and let it soften a little bit.
They're asking what is rasam? Is it spicy curry or a soup?
Okay, so rasam is like a broth. It's not a soup and it's not a curry. It is a very thin broth. It's a South Indian dish. जब आप South Indian restaurant में जाते हैं, तो you know there is rasam, rice and papad, which is a very common combination. But in fact, if you have cold or cough, a lot of people like to drink rasam. So it's a very brothy curry, which is best enjoyed with some rice and papad.
You're saying beetroot is boiled?
No, the beetroot is not boiled, it is raw. The tomato is raw, the beetroot. Now you will cook for 5-6 minutes. Any more questions?
No, they're saying audio and video is very clear.
Thank you. So if you see, it's nicely sizzling. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add about 3-4 cups of boiling hot water. और अब इसमें थोड़ा सा नमक डालेंगे according to your taste. And this is some tamarind water. Now the tomatoes are already very sour. The tomato already खट्टा है. So I would recommend first taste it because sometimes the tomato is more sour, sometimes it's less sour. So tamarind आप बाद में डालें अगर आपको ज़रूरत लगे. और tamarind से थोड़ा सा red color भी जाता है तो use it if you wish. I usually don't use it because tomato में बहुत खट्टापन होता है, but sometimes tomato is not sour, so you taste it and look, show them the color. So अभी हमने इसको boil भी नहीं किया है and look how beautiful the color is. It is literally a 5-10 minute recipe and it looks extremely beautiful.
They're asking how much water you put.
So about 3.5 cups to 4 cups of water.
Can you give me a tissue? They're saying maybe steam से थोड़ा blur हो रहा है.
So it has started boiling. Can you show them the color? तो ये बॉयल होने लग गया है और एक और मैंने बना के रखा है जो बन चुका है.
There is a question, will the beetroot cook without salt? Cook without salt with tomato?
Yes, because मैंने अभी सॉल्ट डाल दिया है और मैं उसको काफी देर कम से कम 10 मिनट्स बॉईल करने वाली हूँ.
And Vandana is asking any other root vegetable in place of beetroot?
You can put potato, you can put taro, but of course the color will not come. And also इसमें एक और चीज जो आप कर सकते हैं, आप थोड़ा लौकी डाल सकते हो या कोरिएंडर के स्टेम्स डाल सकते हो ताकि वो और न्यूट्रिशियस हो जाए. इट बिकम्स मोर डिलिशियस ऑल्सो. तो आप अपने कैरेट्स भी डाल सकते हो. एंड लास्ट में इट इज अप टू यू. I don't like to strain it, but if you wish, I like to strain it and I use the remaining to make like a missi roti or a thick soup later. But I like the rasam to be really nice brothy because वो बहुत beautiful and क्योंकि मैं बहुत photography करती हूँ, food photography, तो मेरे लिए खाना का पिक्चर्स लेना है तो all this जो बीच में टमाटर और बीटरूट है वो अच्छा नहीं लगता है. बट वो टोटली आपके ऊपर डिपेंड है कि आप क्या चाहते हैं. उसको आपको ऐसे खाना है तो भी बहुत टेस्टी है और खाली ब्रॉथ की तरह पीना है वो भी कर सकते हैं.
They're asking, is there any other variations to this?
Of this variation, I just told you can add. आप कोई भी सब्जी ऐड कीजिए. You can add lauki, you can add pumpkin, you can add as many vegetables to this as you want.
Yeah, they're saying, can we make it without beetroot, especially in lockdown days?
You can make it with tomato and you can put some other vegetable and then you have to put little bit of course if you want more sour tamarind and all, but you will not get this beautiful color. But definitely you can make it with other vegetables.
Chapa Rose is asking, do we add dal water to this?
I did not add. This is a very very simple and clean dish, literally ready in 10-15 minutes. I didn't put any lentil, but by all means आपको थोड़ा तूर दाल का पानी डालना है तो वो भी डालिए.
हाँ, that's the next question. Anubha is asking, in rasam there is tur dal. Does this recipe have
This
it?
does not have, but please put if you want to put. No problem.
Please show the cooked beet consistency.
Yeah. So this is how it will be. Abhi it's got still a little bite, but you can soften it as much, but color is all gone. Did you see that?
Yeah. They're saying you're not using any Amul products, so.
I put ghee. मैंने अमूल घी डाला था.
Okay. Some new joiners who've come, they're saying, can there be a quick recap?
Sure. तो हमने बीटरूट रसम. Do you want Hindi or English? Can someone tell me please?
I think questions are all in English, but
Okay.
Hindi bhi chalega.
Yeah. So guys, I took a tablespoon of ghee. If you can just show here, I put a tablespoon of ghee. Then I put jeera and rai and black pepper and hing and green chilies and curry leaf. और जब वो sizzle हो गया अच्छे से, then I put tomato and beetroot and उसको कुक थोड़ा किया, फिर पानी डाल के उसको काफ़ी देर उबालना है, 10-15 मिनट. और अगर आपको और थिक चाहिए तो थोड़ा और देर उबालिए. ये ऑलमोस्ट रेडी हो गया है.
Sonal is asking, does rasam go with starter or main dish?
It depends, Sonal. If you want to try it like a soup before you have your dinner, you can do it like a starter. But usually it's a meal in itself. It is served with rice and some papad, and it's a complete meal.
And can we add tamarind is
Yes,
what
so
Shruti has asked.
Shruti, actually tamarind, I was just explaining. I have kept it here, but it is on you. If you want it very sour, please put. But the tomatoes are quite sour today, so I'm not putting. So it's totally your call. And tamarind will
हिंदी
change.
बोल रहे हैं.
अच्छा, हिंदी में बोलूं तो ये जो इमली का पानी है आप तब डालें, आप उसको टेस्ट करें. अगर टमाटर बहुत खट्टा है तो मत डालिए, अगर खट्टा नहीं है तो डालिए. और ये जो इमली का पानी है उससे थोड़ा सा रंग भी चेंज होगा रसम का,
कम हो जाएगा.
थोड़ा सा. हाँ, इतना रेड नहीं रहेगा. बट प्लीज टेस्ट कीजिए क्योंकि टमाटर काफी खट्टा खुद भी है.
पूजा राजीव is asking ये कैसे सर्व करें.
हाँ, मैं अभी आपको दिखाऊंगी पूजा.
And Sonal is asking, do we add any South Indian masala like sambar?
आपको डालना है तो रेडीमेड थोड़ा रसम पाउडर डालें, सांबर मसाला डालें. मैं नहीं डालती हूँ बिकॉज इसका टेस्ट बहुत अच्छा है और वो सब चीज़ें इसका कलर खराब करते हैं. आई लाइक वेरी क्लीन फूड, तो आप इसको जब खाओगे आपको लगेगा नहीं इसमें कुछ कम है.
Chapa is saying, show more recipes please, palak rasam.
I will show Chapa. Please come to my Instagram account. Sue Paints on Plates on Instagram. आपको बहुत सारे कलरफुल रेसिपीज मिलेंगे वहाँ पे.
और Sonal is asking, can we cook in pressure cooker?
सोनल आप कर सकते हो डेफिनेटली, बहुत फास्ट हो जाएगा, थोड़ा कलर इतना ब्राइट नहीं रहेगा. ओके, तो ये बन गया है और ये तो मैंने पहले बनाया था तो आप देख सकते हो कलर कितना ब्यूटीफुल है. तो आप इसको ऐसे भी सर्व कर सकते हो राइस के साथ, बट मैं इसको स्ट्रेन करूंगी. और जो बाकी का बचेगा प्लीज उसको फेंके नहीं, उसके आप उसको ग्राइंड करके उसको मिस्सी रोटी बन सकती है, कटलेट्स बन सकते हैं, बहुत कुछ हो सकता है. तो ये देखिए ये बन गया है रसम और इसकी यहाँ रखते हैं.
Asha is asking how many tomatoes and beets.
So Asha, I put 3 tomato and 1 medium size beetroot.
And how much time you cook veggies in frying?
Frying about 5 minutes and boiling about 10 to 12 minutes. But उसको कवर करके आपको 15 minutes भी बॉईल करना है तो और सॉफ्ट हो जाएगा because we are straining so it doesn't matter.
Kanta is asking to repeat your Instagram account.
Sue Paints, एक्चुअली अगर आप जो अभी हमने कैप्शन डाला है उसमें है Sue Paints on Plates और मैं नीचे कमेंट्स में डाल दूंगी लेटर. I'll put it. या अब मैं आपको इसको प्लेट करना दिखाती हूँ. तो हम मेरे दूसरे स्टेशन पे जाएंगे. What is the time? So guys, I have a beautiful spoon. थोड़ा सा मैंने टेम्परिंग निकाल के रखा है. रसम रेडी है और ये हर्ब राइस है. इसको मैंने कुछ भी नहीं, थोड़ा सा ऑयल में या घी में जीरा, राई, करी पत्ता, हींग और कोरिएंडर डाल के चावल मिक्स किया है और उसको फिर मैंने एक बोल में डाल के अनमोल्ड कर दिया है. अब मैं इसमें ये बीटरूट रसम डालूंगी और इसका कलर देखिए कितना ब्यूटीफुल है एंड कुछ भी इसमें आर्टिफिशियल इंग्रेडिएंट्स नहीं है एंड इट इज सो गुड फॉर यू. जस्ट शो द प्लेट एंड आई एम गोइंग टू, अभी मैं, प्लेट इज विजिबल?
Yes.
टेम्परिंग डाल रही हूँ इसमें और मैं एक एक्चुअली ओके डूब भी गया. या सो दैट्स माय प्लेट गाइस.
Asha is asking, can we put lemon?
आशा आप लेमन डाल सकते हो, नो प्रॉब्लम. इट विल जस्ट चेंज द कलर ऑफ द रसम. Any more questions?
What Saroj is asking, what spice has been added?
Saroj, I will put the detailed recipe in the comments in just a few minutes. इसमें
Tempering.
okay, इसमें ऑयल है, हींग है, जीरा, राई, करी पत्ता और ग्रीन चिली. Okay, the curry leaves though they are going on drowning, so I'll put one on the side. Yeah. So now I can show them the dish. Any more questions? We can take it there only, I think. What's the time? What's the time?
3:18.
So we are done in 20 minutes. आपके पास और कोई सवाल है तो पूछिए.
Somebody's asked, could you show the kitchen a little bit?
You want to see my kitchen? Sure. So, yeah, this is my little kitchen, which I love so much. Hi, Vidya. Hello. Yeah, that's my where I put all my lentils and spices. My teas, I love so many teas. Cups. Thank you. So yeah, you can add tur dal and rasam. You can add if you want. I didn't add. Any more questions?
How can we make consistency thick?
ओके उसके लिए आप क्या करेंगे ना, ये जो हमने निकाला है इसको आप एक्चुअली ये मसाले जितने निकाल सके उसके बाद इसको आप ब्लिट्स कर सकते हो या फिर आप ब्लेंडर में डाल सकते हो, बट आपको ये पेपर और ये सब निकालना पड़ेगा.
Please tell me how much tomatoes and beetroot for 6 people.
So for 6 people you will use about 5 tomatoes and 2 beetroot.
Could we, yeah, I think tur dal is the same question.
तूर दाल आप यूज कर सकते हो, तूर दाल का पानी यूज कर सकते हो, तूर दाल भी डाल सकते हो, थोड़ा कलर चेंज हो जाएगा गाइस. अगर आपको ऐसा रेड चाहिए तो वो नहीं होगा.
Sonia is saying, hope you do more Amul live recipe demonstrations.
I hope. Please tell Amul. But come to my Instagram guys, you will find a lot. I do a lot over there.
Please answer, could we add tur dal in rasam?
हाँ जी, तूर दाल आप ऐड कर सकते हैं थोड़ा, बट उसमें कलर चेंज हो जाएगा, इतना ब्राइट रेड नहीं रहेगा, बट यू कैन ऐड, नो प्रॉब्लम.
Tavinder is mentioning, I tried 3 kinds of hummus yesterday. Thanks for the recipes. I put the picture in Instagram story and tagged you.
Thank you, Tavinder. Now after this I will go and see your picture.
Shagun is asking how much quantity.
Quantity of what, Shagun? Quantity of what?
I think
Any other questions?
ये कितने लोगों के लिए है?
ये 3 लोग खा सकते हैं. आपको ज्यादा बनाना है तो डबल क्वांटिटी कीजिए. मैं अभी लाइव खत्म होने के बाद कमेंट्स में जाके पूरा रेसिपी डिटेल में डाल दूँ.
And Shagun is asking of tur dal could be added for 2 person. How much tur dal?
Shagun, you can add 2 tablespoons of tur dal. I am not a big fan of adding anything to this because बहुत टेस्टी है ऐसे ही और कलर बहुत सुंदर है, तो मैं नहीं डालती हूँ, लेकिन डालना है तो आप आधा कटोरी ऐसे डाल दीजिए.
I think Sonal is requesting if you have time to show your different teas and how you used.
Sonal, I will do an Instagram live on my Instagram because Amul will think कि मैं रसम छोड़ के क्या कर रही हूँ.
Also show us how to make beetroot raita next time on Facebook Live, please.
Done. I'll do it.
That's
मैं
Repi.
Facebook live करूँगी, Instagram live करूँगी with the raita. So stay tuned guys on my account.
Chapa is also asking how do you add protein in this?
चापा प्रोटीन अभी रसम में दाल, तूर दाल you can add. I don't know what else protein because paneer and all will not taste good in rasam, so I don't know what else to tell you.
Nutri.
The nutri will also not taste nice. Yeah. Any other questions? 3:30, just let me know.
Yes, I think it just says super details. Shagun is again asked tur dal quantity.
Tur dal quantity, you can put half a bowl of tur dal guys if you want. You can even add, instead of just plain water, you can even add tur dal water if you don't want that dal to come in your mouth.
Poonam Sehgal is asking your Instagram page again.
Poonam, my Instagram page is Soup Paints on Plates. After I finish this, I will go and I will write it in my comment section. I will put a link there.
Rashmi saying I love your plates.
Thank you. Thank you for coming guys. I think we are done. If you have any questions, you can reach me on my Instagram page or write them in the comment section. I will make sure that I answer to all the queries. And I will also write down the recipes in the comment section. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed my lovely red color rasam. Bye.
I think just a couple more questions and
Yes.
we'll finish it.
Yes.
Spinach will taste good.
You can put it, but don't put a lot. You can put it in the broth to give it more, make it more nutritious, but ज़्यादा ना डालें.
And Anita is asking मिक्सी में चलाकर भी बना सकते हैं?
अनीता, मिक्सी में चला ले, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, पर ये जो बड़े बड़े पेपर हैं, इधर दिखाना, ये जो बड़े बड़े ब्लैक पेपर हैं, और जितना भी राई जीरा निकाल सकते हैं निकाल दीजिए प्लीज, नहीं तो बहुत कड़वा टेस्ट हो जाएगा और थोड़ा थिक हो जाएगा मिक्सी में, तो ब्रॉथी नहीं रहेगा.
And Shruti is complimenting you.
Thank you.
Shagun again wants to check, could we soak tur dal?
Yeah, but कुकर में सीटी दे दे तो भी चलता है.
And Saroj is asking what spice is added in the rasam.
So Roj, I'm writing down the recipe in the comment section right after the live is over. I will write down the exact recipe. I think it's 3.
And Revati is just asking what are the dishes we can make with the leftover tomato and beetroot.
So Revati, what I usually do is that मैं उसको ये spices निकाल के grind करके I make like a missi roti with it.
And last is Kamini's, and I think we can end it now.
Yeah.
In rasam, can we put drumsticks?
Yes, of course. Drumsticks will taste so good in rasam, and of course, moringa is a superfood, really nutritious and so good for us. By all means, add it.
Ritu is asking, I'm not on Instagram. How can I check your recipes?
You'll have to come on Instagram, Ritu. Facebook पे भी है, but my account on Facebook is got hardly anything. So please open an Instagram account. It's very simple. I think we are done. It's
Yes.
3:30.
Yes.
Sorry guys, I have to finish because I think somebody else is starting at 3:30. But I am available anytime, you guys. Whoever follows me knows where I am, and the rest of you just hop on to Instagram and find me there.
Okay. Kanta is saying found your Instagram page. It's an awesome page.
Thank you. Thank you for being there, guys. See you. Bye bye.